Hey Jack, how's it going? This is Doc Key from Master Flying Billboards. So as promised, this is the video I said I'll be sending out to you. Typically I would do this a little bit differently, but I'm definitely going to walk you through this and show you how you can really set this up for yourself. I'm going to be giving you 3 tips and a few tricks throughout this video. We're going to be talking about content, backlinks, and citations. So, it's going to really give you a good idea how to compete and beat out your local competition and bring more customers to your business using the internet. So this video is just a bit of research and some pointers, and it's just going to help you really optimize and bring in that traffic. Like I said, typically it'll be a bit different. But so what happened is when I actually put in this URL inside Google or searched it up, I didn't get a search result. I didn't get any results. So it just led me to believe that this domain was active. I did a bit of research and it just showed that it's not active. Right. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and buy the domain. Right. I use this software that's on the screen now called namesilo.com. This is what my preference. You can use. There's many of them out there. There's many of them out there that you can use. This is just one that I like. Right. So that's the first thing I would do. Right. You store this somewhere whenever you're willing to really take the time and build on the site. So let's just say, suppose that you did have a website. Right. And let's just take this one as an example. Right. Say we typed in roof repair Newark, New Jersey, right? So this is a keyword, right, that people are searching for in Google. And obviously, if someone is looking up this keyword in Google, they're looking for a roofing company. And the ideal thing is that you will want your business to come up when someone searches this. So the first thing that you see is the Google Ads section. This is the guarantee section. This is like the best section to be in, pretty much because of it's just right here at the top, and this is very valuable position here. This is another ad section below this ad section. This is the original ad section, right? This any business can pretty much get here. Don't requires a lot of work. Just pay them. This is a little bit more guaranteed, just like how they said. It's very good to be there. What we're going to talk about today is this map section here, right? This name, address, and phone number section, what we call it, and this organic section. So the first thing that you want to do when you go ahead and build that website, you want to find a place to host it on. You want to build it, right? So the first thing is content. So content is basically that anything that you will see on a website, as far as text, right? Anything like text, images, right? You have an image right here, and what this image may be saved as, right? And you have any videos, what those videos may be saved as. The reason for this content is that you want to be implementing that keyword that I gave you as an example within this content. Google wants to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. We put these guys into this word counter here. Actually, this is not them, so let's just pull these guys up. Let me actually go back and grab that. One second. So we put these guys into this word counter. They have 948 words on the front page. If I was building a website, what I would do is that I'll go ahead and double that. Google wants to see about 1,500 words for you to actually be considered authority. And within that content, I'll be implementing keywords such as the keyword I gave you an example of here. The reason for this is that you want to list every service area, every service that you offer on your home page to give a description about your business, about what is it that you do and where is it that you do. This is how Google's going to crawl the site and what they're going to be able to find you for, right? And help other clients, potential clients find you. So that's what you want to do with that content. You want to just basically list all your business areas and all the services that you offer on that front page, right? So the second thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. So backlinks is basically other websites that's pointing back to your website that's passive power. This is an example that I'm going to give you. So this is a software I use called Ahrefs. It gives me the complete backend of a company's website, and it shows me all the organic traffic that you guys get in, all the keywords that you getting found for, and the power that's coming to the site. So this is kind of like this is like the power that comes to the site. This is like a direct correlation with Google. This is supposed to be like a common unification here, but as you can see, this is like pretty low. So these metrics are not that good, but obviously these guys are getting some traffic, and it's pretty easy to rank if this was the competition and beat them. So backlinks are basically other websites that's pointing back to your website that's passing the power that's relevant to your industry. So if you're a roofing company, you want to have other home improvement backlinks that's pointing back to your website, not anything such as like Domino's, anything that because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So you just want to make sure it's relevant. And usually all the time quality is over quantity, so you just want to make sure they're really good backlinks and they're not spammy. So a website that I use to go get those backlinks is a software called majestic.com, and it gives me a competitor analysis, and I basically go ahead and find the competitors and go see what sites they're listed on, and I'll go ahead and use that on my site as well. Because the thing is that them sites are good enough to rank their site is good enough to rank yours as well. So we're going to move on to citations. So citations are basically other web directories that allows you to list your name, address, business name, address, and phone number on, such as Yext, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, right? I'm mentioning those. Those are directories, even such as Facebook, Yahoo, Bing, right there, literally thousands of them. So this will give you that basically that relevance with Google, right? Because your business is listed throughout the internet so many times, right? And it gives you a lot of credibility. It really is going to help you rank in this section, because this section here is responsible for 44% of traffic that comes to your website. So you definitely want to get listed there. And the way you're going to get here is through that organic way of building those backlinks, right? This is the organic section. So obviously being in one of these sections here on Google is going to bring you a lot of traffic. That's what you'll want to do. So to give you an example of some keywords, right? So suppose that you are a roofing company in Allentown, Pennsylvania. This right here stands for keyword difficulty. It estimates the amount of time or how easy it will be to rank in Google for that keyword. And this right here, one keyword gets 200 searches per month. You know, it's different ones here. Let's just say Newark. Let's see what's in Newark real quick, what I have from Newark here. Right. Let's say dumpster rental, Newark, New Jersey, right? So this gets 200 searches per month. This one gets 150 searches per month. This gets 150 searches per month, right? So what you want to do is that you want to build a site such as if you had a dumpster site and list those keywords on that site. You know, that's what you want to do, right? Also, you know what? The big important thing is that the power you want to pass to the site, right? You can't just build a site and sit it there and expect it to miraculously rank. You want to pass that power, and those are the backlinks that I spoke to you about. You want to list your business in different citations. Software I use to go get those is a software called whitespark.ca, and basically same thing here, competitive analysis. This is Ahrefs. I use this because it's all consolidated. The first thing that I do, recap, is that I go buy me this domain here. And I would definitely find a place to build the website. I would rank it with all that content I told you about. You want to be at that 1,500 word mark. And to be considered authority, you want to rank it with the, you want to save those images as keywords, those videos as keywords. You want to list your services and service areas. You want to put those kind of keywords, roof repair, roofing company, roofing contractor, all throughout your website. This is how Google's going to find you. All right. So also backlinks, you want to go use majestic.com to get those backlinks, and whitespark.ca to get those citations. So if you use those 3 tips that I share with you today alone, you're guaranteed to start getting some traffic. This is organic kind of process, so it's not done tomorrow. If you want to build a site correctly, you have to do it correctly. You have to. It's not nothing that's done in a day or a week. You have to do it correctly, but it's really pays off. So I hope that you found this information useful. Definitely you can take it, use it for yourself. I hope all the best, and if you have any questions or concerns, I will appreciate if you give me some feedback. Please reach out, brother. Take care.